Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In WordPress, discussion settings let you customize comment and post communications on your site. Many of the options for controlling the management and display of comments and links on your posts and pages will be visible in the Discussion Settings page. To set the discussion settings for your site, click the Settings button in the navigation bar in the WordPress admin panel. Then click the Discussion link under the Settings section in the navigation bar to display the Discussion Settings page in the area to the right. Check or uncheck the checkboxes in the Default Article Settings area to control the default settings for your articles. Note that these default settings may be overridden for individual articles. You can check the Attempt to notify any blogs linked to from this article checkbox to allow WordPress to attempt to notify any blogs linked to from articles by default. If checked, WordPress will send out a ping to any blogs to which you have linked within your posts. If the linked blog allows pingbacks, then your mention of the blog will show up in its comments section. You can check the Allow Link Notifications from Other Blogs, Pingbacks and Trackbacks checkbox to allow WordPress to receive link notifications from other blogs. If checked, WordPress will accept pingbacks and trackbacks, and they will appear in the comment section of your posts. You can check the Allow People to Post Comments on New Articles checkbox to allow people to post comments on new articles on your site. If checked, comments from people will be allowed on new posts. In the Other Comment Settings area, you can check or uncheck the checkboxes shown to control other comment settings for your posts. You can check the Comment Author Must Fill Out Name and Email checkbox to force comment authors to input their name and email before commenting on your posts. This can help deter spammers from commenting. You can check the Users Must Be Registered and Logged In to Comment checkbox to ensure that only users who are logged in and registered with your site will be able to comment on site posts. You can check the Automatically Close Comments on Articles Older than X number of days checkbox and then type a numerical value into the text box provided to have WordPress not allow comments on posts older than the number of days that you specify. For example, you could check this checkbox and then enter 7 into the text box to the right to not allow any new comments to be added to a post after 7 days have passed. You can check the Enable Threaded or Nested Comments X Levels Deep checkbox to enable threaded comments where users can comment on other users' comments. Then enter a numerical value into the text box provided to select the number of levels deep that you will allow nested comments. You can check the Break Comments into Pages with X top-level comments per page and the first or last page displayed by default checkbox to display post comments in a paginated format with a specified number of comments per page. Then enter a number into the first text field shown to the right of the checkbox to set the number of comments allowed per page. Then use the drop-down shown to the right of that to select either last or first to determine whether the oldest or newest comments should be displayed first. In the Email Me Whenever section, you can then check or uncheck the checkboxes shown to specify when WordPress should send automatic email notifications about comments. To have WordPress automatically email you when someone posts a comment on your site, check the When Anyone Posts a Comment checkbox. To have WordPress automatically email you when a comment is held for moderation, check the A Comment is Held for Moderation checkbox. In the Before a Comment Appears area, you can check or uncheck the checkboxes shown to choose how comments must be approved before they're visible on your site. You can check the Comment Must Be Manually Approved checkbox to require a comment to be manually approved before it appears on your site. Check the Comment Author Must Have a Previously Approved Comment checkbox to require a comment author to have a previously approved comment before they can post additional comments to your posts. You can use the Comment Moderation area to apply additional signals for comment moderation to help flag comments that may be inappropriate or contain spam. Enter a numerical value into the field shown in the Hold a Comment in the Queue if it contains X or more links setting to hold a comment in the moderation queue if it contains more than the specified number of links. You can also use the large text box shown under the When a comment contains any of these words setting to type words or IP addresses that, if found within a comment, will immediately send that comment to the moderation queue. You can type one word or IP address per line into this field. In the Comment Blacklist area, you can use the large text box shown under the When a comment contains any of these words setting to type words or IP addresses that, if found within a comment, will immediately send that comment to the spam folder. In the Avatars area, you can change the settings related to the use of avatars on your site. An avatar is an image associated with a user. To allow the use of avatars, check the Show Avatars checkbox for the avatar display setting. Next, choose the maximum maturity rating allowed for avatars and gravatars on your site by selecting the desired option button for the maximum rating setting. G is suitable for all audiences, PG is possibly offensive images, R is for audiences above 17 years of age, and X is the most mature rating for an avatar. To select the default avatar that will appear for users who do not have a custom avatar through the Gravatar service, select the desired Avatars option button for the default avatar setting. After you have finished making changes to the discussion settings, click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the discussion settings page to save your changes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.